Hi everyone. Imagine you have a Cisco switch in another building, another city, or even another country. How can you manage it without being physically there? SSH lets you securely connect to a switch remotely from another computer. In this video, I will show you how to configure SSH on a Cisco switch step by step using Cisco Packet Tracer. We open the CLI, enable, then configure terminal. Now I will give our switch a host name. This makes it easier to identify the device. Set the switch SW1, we call it SW1. SSH uses a domain name together with the host name when generating its security keys. It doesn't have to be a real internet domain. For this lab, I just simply use ApexNet.com. Before anyone can log in using SSH, the switch needs a username and password to verify the user's identity. We will create a local user account. We type username, admin, and we can choose a password. For example, password 1. SSH encrypts all communication between your computer and the switch. To do that, it needs encryption keys. We will generate RSA keys now. We type crypto key generate RSA. And then it will ask us about the key size. I will type 2048. It is the recommended key size because it provides much better security than smaller keys. Cisco supports different versions of SSH. Version 2 is more secure than version 1, so we will enable SSH version 2. I type IP SSH version 2. Now I will create a VLAN. We will use this VLAN to give our switch an IP address so we can connect to it using SSH. VLAN 99, then interface VLAN 99. We go into VLAN 99 configuration. Now let's assign an IP address to this VLAN. This is the IP address we will use later to connect to the switch using SSH. Finally, we will turn it on. No shutdown. Then we configure the default gateway. This tells the switch where to send traffic if the destination is on a different network. We type IP default gateway 192.168.99.1. Before we test the SSH, we also need to make sure the PC is connected to VLAN 99. We type interface FA0/1. This is the port on the switch that our PC has been connected to. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 99. Now I will configure the VTY or virtual terminal lines. These lines allow us to connect to the switch remotely using SSH. I type line VTY 015. This command selects all the virtual terminal lines that can accept remote connections. When I will type login local, this command tells the switch to use the local username and password we created earlier when someone logs in through SSH. Now I will type transport input SSH. This command allows only SSH connections and blocks telnet, making remote access more secure. I save all the configuration at the end by typing write memory. Now everything is ready to test our SSH configuration. On the PC, open the command prompt and enter the following command: SSH-L admin 192.168.99.2. When prompted, enter the password we configured earlier. If the login is successful for you and you see the switch prompt, congratulations! You have successfully configured SSH on your Cisco switch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Cisco Packet Tracer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.